Hello viewers, hope you all are fine and having some great fun. In this video, you are going to learn how to change language in MS Word. So to change the language, first go in File tab, click on this and then select Options. And here you can see Language. Click on it and you can see English US default. English is the default language. So if you want to change it, here is the drop down list. You can select it, whatever the language you want. For example, I am selecting Danish. So you can add from here. So as I am using English language, I am not going to change it. So you can easily add from here. So this is how you can change language in MS Word. In the end, please like and share this video and subscribe our channel. Thank you.